Hi friends, in this video we'll learn how to solve the issue of Wi-Fi connection is not showing in Windows 11. So friends, here you can see that already I have connected the Wi-Fi connection because which already I have solved the problem. It was not showing this option at all. It was showing only this Bluetooth option. So to solve this kind of issue, so for that here in Windows 11 on search bar, just type your system. Once you type in system, it will display setting. Just click on here setting. So once you click in the setting, again here you can see calls system, click on system, and after that just scroll down, and after that just click on troubleshoot, and after that click on here other troubleshooters. So after that here you can see call again network and internet, click on run button here. Once you click this run button, so it will open new window. Click on here, and after that just click on open, and after that here you can see called the run and network test. Just click on here. After that just scroll down, and after that here you can see restart the Wi-Fi network adapter. Just click on here and click on restart adapter. Click on this option, and after that just scroll down, and after that here you can see called the restart your PC. Click on here and expand it. So here it is saying that if you have tried the previous step but you are not you are still not connected, restart your PC. It is saying that if you try previous step, if it is not connected till now, you need to restart your system. Once you restart your system, definitely your network will reconnect again like earlier. Okay, so for that what I have to do is just click this program. Okay, don't restart without closing this program, and close it, and click on this power button here, and after that here need to click restart. So friends, I'm not going to restart because already I have solved the problem. Okay, so in this but you need to restart your system, okay, to get the solution. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.